Here's part 3 of my life-size caliburn Sonic and the Black Knight sword. As you can see, I sanded down and painted most of it. Sorry for not putting anything else, but built the blade on the paint these two pieces. Hard to do this. Alright, now that I'm done with the gold, I'm going to put this back. This is the whole blade. I'm going to spray paint it. So we got a metallic silver. Alright. Ooh, I'm liking this. I like that. Alright, here's all of it spray painted now, and make sure you check back for part 4.